was flying. And he'll find the gap on the offside. This is an... Here, bit of a freebie that adds. Fortuitous.
I think Rohit said.
Wow! This is a knockout game and he's charged one of the best bowlers in the world. That's running away to the boundary as well. Right, there's a fielder there. There's a fielder there. He's coming underneath it. He's happy playing that shot, and the reason he's happy is he into the stands once again.
Oh, that's glorious. This time it's Shubman Gill. Williamson has taken it. What a catch this is. Running catch. Running backwards. That's four. Very controlled. That's four more. This is poor bowling. Oh, that's in the gap. Sweet timing. That's in the air, but in the gap as well. Fast hands from Shubman Gill. Forward. Shubman Gill. That's in the air. That's 6.
50 so far.
Timing and placement from Kohli.
Go, Mitchie! The maximum comes out.
Nicely played and gets it through the gap. Is sitting down. England, sorry. Down the wicket, down the ground. He does come down. And again.
Lovely.
And that was Glenn Maxwell, of course, from Australia, who was undergoing treatment. Away from Latham, and it'll run away for 4. And say that. Wow. Not much else to add, really.
On cue.
Mistake! Oh, almost panic.
Straight over top of mid-off. Wonderful use of the feet and placement.
Yes,
Whipped away over wideish. Long on for 6. Brilliant use of the feet again from Kohli.
Yeah, when I spoke earlier about...
That's gone very fine. And it races away, and it does.
And another Hall of Famer.
To Ian Smith. Oh, wow. It's gone high. Has he got enough of it? I think he has. Plenty.
easy and long. There are few better. There's a fielder in the deep. It will beat. Oh, once again that bat swing. His bat swing is. And that'll run away to the boundary as well, I suspect. He's found the gap. That is such a good look. Progress. He's a monster. Virat Kohli, and he stands alone aloft on that summit. Nobody else there.
We've seen New Zealand come very close to it last.
That's in the air. And put down. This time it's into the crowd. Same direction. Flicked again. And a fine innings from Virat Kohli comes to an end. His fifth accolades. Oh, that is huge. What a sound when ball met.
What a connection.
That's high. It's handsome. It's long. It's another 6 for Shreyas Iyer. That's
clubbed on the onside. Another boundary.
Under pressure.
Lovely shot. Really plays that shot well.
That's the.
Oh, that goes into the crowd again. Another massive hit. And that's it. Back-to-back hundreds for Shreyas Iyer in World Cup cricket. Oh, that's up in the air. And it's gone the distance. And he slices it away this time. So 6. Oh, lovely shot this. Excellent timing. Again, this time it's taken it long on. He takes it this time, Glenn Phillips. Ah, that's a big one. This should clear the boundary. That swung away for 4. Oh, he slashed it away this time. With an offer. A boundary to finish things off. And it's been an exceptional.
No, I thought New Zealand, if they had a bowl, were right in this game, but they were off in the field. But this man here, I think, is their only hope, really. If he has a...
Starts with a boundary in the best possible fashion.
Better.
Again, it races down towards backward point for 4. 2 in the first 3 deliveries. Down towards third man. It is a very quick outfield when the ball is new in particular. Nice drive this time off the front foot. That width again that Bumrah has given Conway's paid. Nicely timed. In fact, impeccably timed. It didn't look as if... Brilliantly fielded. Edge, and Rahul Dravid does it again with those safe hands, and it's that first ball again. Mohammad Shami. Williamson is away. It is touched by the man at point, but I don't think it's going to stop. Little touches there. Rachin Ravindra turns and goes, and India have a double strike, and Mohammad.
That's a good shot. Good cricketing shot. One bounce. Over. Yes, and he got a good look. Really good look. Oh, that'll trickle away for 4. Just getting. That's cut away for 4. Quick outfield. We'll find the gaps. Ouch. That's up in the air. Top edge. And it'll go the distance. It's gone well past the side screen. Another inside edge. Riding their luck. Oh, lovely extension of the arm. What a good shot he is. This is...
I was about to say KL Rahul. He's been...
Goes straight, as he does very often. Bowl it. No one behind, that's going to be 4. Flatter and quicker. It's not going to turn and bounce. Straight again. In true Mitchell style. Actually happened the last 6. Straight again. And very high. And long too. That was on the advice of KL Rahul, but he didn't want him to bowl.
Doesn't play the reverse sweep. Finds the field. Miss hit. No fielder there. That's got to be...
Brilliant again. It was parried at backward point. It may have been Jade. They can. And Mitchell says, I'll have a bit of that over mid-off. In fact, I'll have quite a chunk of it.
Tell you what, yeah.
Williamson finds another gap just to take the pressure off what was a good over for India. Williamson goes big. Has he gone big enough? Maybe not. No, he hasn't. Shami has done it again. He's got the breakthrough. Williamson. Oh, that's close. That's really close, yeah. A double blow for Mohammad Shami, who is turning out to be some...
Good captaincy there by Rohit Sharma.
This is the one. Yes, he likes playing that shot, and he plays that shot very, very well. Straight up on the side. He'll get 4, threw his bat at it. That's a deep, that's what they're saying. Take the game deep. They just come inside the circle. Nice, he was in control, and it goes all the way. Will be 6. Just got the rule. This will clear the boundary too. This is wonderful hitting. This is something we've...
That's 4. Just getting his bat down in the nick of time. Oh, gets away with that. That's high. Fielder coming underneath it. And Jadeja will not miss. That's struck. And another one goes. Kuldeep Yadav had a wicket written all over him, and he's struck. That's chipped in the air. Swing, a miss. That's 4. And that's the last. That's taken. Number 6 for Mohammad. That's up in the air. It's in the crowd as well.